Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to wire a three-phase electric motor. This should apply to basically any three-phase motor, smaller or bigger than this one. Yeah, let's start. So you first take off that cover for the wiring box. Now you can see the connections for the motor, and there is two ways you can connect it, either a star or a delta configuration. One will be for 400 volt, one will be for 240 volt three phase. If those little bridges are like this, so they would be here and here, it would be set for 400 volt three phase. If they are like these, it's set for 240 volts three phase. I will use this with a VFD, so it's set for 240 because my VFD is single phase to three phase. You put your cover to the side. You now have to get your cable. Now I already prepared this one, but that's relatively simple. Just remove the outer sheet. Then you have your L1, L2, L3 and earth. You would strip it with, for example, a tool like this. Then you would put crimp connector like this, ring one, and use this kind of pliers to crimp it. I guess that's pretty easy, and you probably already know how to do this. Now you will put your cable through this gland. Now, maybe it would be easier to first put the cable and then put the crimps on, but yeah, it works this way. Maybe. Now to say, it has to be all unplugged and isolated. Be careful, electricity is dangerous. Well, after you manage to put the cable in, yeah, you can tighten the gland. You see that? Yeah. So you tighten your gland, finger tight, and then use pliers or a wrench, use this one, and tighten it, maybe like this. Remember, this is just plastic, don't do it too much, like this holds pretty good. And now you're going to wire it. Usually I like to start with the earth first. Say you should always connect the safety first, even though it's isolated and unplugged and everything, but it's good practice to always do the earth first. You can see it, yes. You want this nice and tight, but not too tight, so that you don't strip the screw, right? Now I take the brown wire, this is L1, and put it to the first terminal, U1. You remove this nut. And the washer. And drop it. I hate when this happens. Okay, just a second. Okay, I managed to get it out. Sorry for that, but that will happen to you too, inevitably. Important to leave one washer under the connector. Put the other washer on top and put the nut on. Now what I like to do is first just finger tight all of them, all three, and then use a tool. Then the black one would be L2. Same thing, one washer under, connector. Washer on top. First just finger tight. Same thing. Now take your 7mm screwdriver. You could also use a wrench, I guess, and tighten all of the connections. Like this one, just wait. So if you cannot see this, okay, this now like this. So you would have your earth connected to the chassis of the motor, L1, 2 and 3. Always leave enough slack in those wires just in case someone needs to rewire it or something. And again, if it's for 400 volt, those 3 bridges would be here. And if it is for 240, it's like this. If the rotation is wrong, just swap any 2 of those around and it will rotate the other way around. In my case it goes to a VFD, so you can just set it on the VFD, but if it is just 400 volt 3-phase mains, then you would just swap any 2 of those wires around, or on the plug, however you like. Same thing, just swap two phases around. After you verify that everything is good, you may also check if those are tight. And I already did this because I reconfigured it before from 400 to 240. And after this you can put the lid back on. Don't forget that gasket. Sometimes it falls out, as you can see. Put your screws back. Take a screwdriver. Tighten the lid. That's it. You now successfully connected a three-phase motor. Thanks for watching and see you soon again. Bye.